boys and girls. Welcome to Mrs. Stelzig's classroom workshop. Today we're going to talk all things, what are we? Bunnies! So we're going to read a quick little story and then we're going to give you a couple of ideas of things that you can make at home that hopefully are materials that you have at your house that won't require you to get anything else other than maybe to go outside and look for something. So we are going to read Peter Rabbit's ABC. A is for apple. B is for bee. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for goldfish. H is for hop. I is for iron. J is for jam. K is for kitten. L is for lettuce. M is for mouse. N is for nut. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for quilt. R is for rabbit. S is for squirrel. T is for tail. U is for umbrella. V is for vegetables. W, watering can. X is for xylophone. Y is for yawn. Z is for zebra. Can you girls help us? Let's do our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Well, we hope next time you'll sing it with us. A fun thing to do to help you keep practicing those sounds is next time, instead of saying the letters A, B, C, D, go ahead and say the sounds A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, N, A, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See if you can do it. Practice that at home. All right, so today we are going to show you two ideas, and you can take off with them. One of the ideas is to make a tiny little toilet paper holder bunny. If you have paper towel holders, you can make more. You can make a family out of them, or you can make your bunny larger. What's fun about this is you can actually put things inside it, and you can leave it as a little treat, a little snack, a little surprise. You could fill it with some rocks or ice and turn it into a musical instrument. You could put candy in it. You could put some flowers in it and leave it outside for someone. So this is going to be a fun little thing, and I'm going to show you quickly how to make this. So the first thing you're going to do, and I'll have my helpers do it with us. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your bottoms. You're going to kind of fold it in like so into the middle. And then you fold the other part down like this. And it takes a little bit. You kind of have to work with it. Just kind of play with it. And then you're going to notice that one side looks nicer, a little smoother than the other. If you're going to fill this with something, it's a good idea to run some glue right here and then stick it down. If you don't plan on putting anything there, then you're fine. The next thing you're going to do you have it, girls?
Yeah.
Perfect. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top that you did not fold, and you're going to cut across like this. So you're going to end up with a little circle like this. If you need help with this, go ahead, see how Anna did, and ask for help. Some of the paper towel holders and toilet paper are a little bit stronger than the others, so don't be afraid to ask for help. You got it, Chloe?
I think so. Actually,
All right. Yeah, this one's really tough. Okay, we can fix it in a minute.
I got my 2 ears.
There we go. All right, so now you have your, it just needs folded. You have this. What you're gonna do with this part is you're gonna cut it in half, and this is gonna become your 2 bunny ears. So you could, if you want, you could just glue them on like this, or you can round the tops a little bit. I'm gonna round mine a little bit. Round that one a little more, so we'll round them. And I'm going to take this one and do the same thing and kind of round it a little bit.
Like these a little bit?
Yeah, and round it. Then what you're going to do once you have your rounded ears, just one second, you're going to stick some glue and you're going to stick them inside. So you'll take your glue and you can decide if you want your bunny ears to flop over like Anna's and Chloe's, or if you want them to stand up straight like our little sloth here. So you're going to stick some glue on them. If you don't have glue, you could use tape, you could use a stapler. You get creative.
Can you go like this?
If you do need some supplies, let us know.
Can you go like this?
Yeah, you could do them on the side too. So this is the fun part about this, is that it's yours. You get to do what you want. So there we go, and you might have to hold them down and count for a few seconds, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let them go. Okay? Then the next thing that you're going to do is you get to cut out, if you want, and you don't have to, but you can cut out a little tummy, and you can choose any color you want. I know that we're limited on supplies right now, so I took a piece of Anna's homework that she was all done when she had to cut out some of it. So you can see this is just a scrap piece of paper, and can I borrow this, honey? I'm gonna go ahead and cut my shape, my rounded shape for the bunny's belly. That kind of U shape. There we go. Oops, and that one, still has some writing on it, so I better choose another spot. So there we go. I have my shape now. Thanks. And then you're going to stick some glue on it. And then you're going to stick it down at the bottom like this. If you want, you could take that white and you could put it on the inside of the ears, kind of like the pink is on here. Or you could color, you could do whatever you want. And then you're going to draw your cute little bunny face however you want. Okay? So we're going to move on to the next project, and we will finish this one later. The next project we have for you is one that might require you to get outside. What you're going to do is you're going to go outside and you're going to be looking for these. These are rocks. What you're going to be doing with your rocks is you're going to be making a bunny shape. Now, I have already put one together. My girls went out and found some rocks, so they are busy putting theirs together. And what we need, how many rocks do we need, girls? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need 5 rocks to make this little bunny shape. If you want to make a family, then you'll need 5 of each one. If you wanted to maybe make this the front of the bunny face, then you won't need the tail here. You could just draw the face on it. You can do whatever you want. Now you can glue these rocks down. You can tape them down. You can even just lay them down and then keep building them over and over to make something different. So you get to be as creative as you want, but you need probably at least 4 rocks. 5 makes it like this. And then you can build your bunny shape. I don't know if we'll be able to see. Anna hasn't glued hers down yet, but she is building tiny little bunny families here. Very
I got a mom
cute.
and a baby.
A mom and a baby. And she has her ears more over to the side. And if we move and see here, Chloe has got hers. She found a nice big rock and made a great bunny shape. And then this one is a little bit smaller. And what's next to that one, Chloe?
An egg.
Oh, so this one has
And this one does too.
an egg. Oh, and that one has an egg too. I wasn't noticing. And there we go. So as you can see, you can get as creative as you want. Sorry, honey. You can get as creative as you want with these. You can make the little toilet paper towel bunnies, or you can get out and find some rocks. But we hope you have fun looking. We hope you have fun making these. We hope you hop around as you're trying to find them. Look for all those different shapes, because we're going to be talking about shapes coming up in the future. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed this little video. Take care. Bye. Can you hop over? Chloe hops over. Bye.